Hey y'all, so I'm in my closet and I'm actually trying to organize my closet. I need more hangers, first of all. Like, I feel like if I had like different hangers, then my closet would look more neater. But anywho, y'all, so I'm just going through my clothes. I like to do that every now and again just to see what I have. I like to see if there is any items in here that I need to get rid of that I'm not wearing. And as it stands, I do like every single thing in my closet. Now, it may seem and it may look unorganized to you guys, but I promise you it is so organized to me. I have my whites and my creams, and then I have my black, and then I have my black and white. I have my floral, and maybe I should move this piece right here, but it's okay for now. I have my burgundy, as you can see, some more floral, and then my green and my jean items, and then some more blue and gray items here. I have my leopard print stuff here, as you can see, my animal print, and then I have like some like yellow tones in this section, and then here's some dresses that I have that you can see that's like orange and burgundy I have here. So do y'all kind of see where I'm going? Like, it don't look organized if you're looking at it like this, but it's very, very organized. So I have my black dresses here, and then my black dresses with like prints on them, so forth and so on. So it is really organized, y'all. And then at the bottom I have skirts over here, and then printed pants here, and then a pair of gray and tan, as you can see there. And then over here I have my blue and my black pants. Okay, so I do try to stay organized, because usually at night I don't get my clothes ready. In the morning I just come in my closet, choose something, and be done. But y'all, here's the thing, I have like so many tops. I know I need more bottoms, so I'm always on the hunt for like pants. So I definitely need more bottoms. I have so many dresses and so many tops, but sometimes I get in a funk as it relates to how to put my clothes together. Like, sometimes I don't know how to pair my clothes together. So as you guys know, I will sometimes stick with like black and white. Like, I wear so much black and white just because it's just easy for me to put together. Like, I have this beautiful blouse here. So y'all tell me, would y'all wear this blouse? Like, is it too much for you? Leave it down below, y'all. I want to know, like, how would you style this? Would you wear like a bodycon skirt, a slip dress? Would you wear shorts, capris, wide leg pants, skinny leg pants, jeans? How would you style this shirt? I have this blouse right here, and I just like, sometimes I just don't know how to pair my clothes, y'all. So y'all, I've been watching a whole lot of videos on how to style different items, okay, like printed items. So yeah, I don't know why I'm making it so difficult. Maybe it's really not this difficult, but I've been trying to like elevate my style. I've really been thinking about getting rid of all of the printed items like this, although that's so pretty. I don't want to get rid of it. Like the floral stuff, and y'all love floral, and just sticking with like neutral stuff like black and tan and white. But I do like color too, so I really don't want to do that. I just have to figure out a way to pair my clothes, okay, and to make use of some of the items that I already have, because I find myself shopping. I'll probably wear the item one time and then I'll put it in the closet, never to be seen again. Okay, I'm not a fashion guru, to say the least, but I do like to look elevated and I like to look nice. So I just have to figure out a way to maximize my clothes. So that's what your girl is working on. That's what I'm working on, y'all. So yeah, this is my closet. And then, believe it or not, those are my jeans, and I need to organize them. Listen, y'all, I need to organize, I know, but at least it's folded up nice and neat to me anyway. But I do need to organize my jeans. The majority of these jeans I really don't wear, and I really need to get rid of them all and just start over, because I don't have any favorites like in this pile at all. And I need me some good jeans. So I'm really thinking about going through that pile and just getting rid of the majority of these jeans. And this is a scarf right here, y'all, that I got for Christmas. It's so soft. But yeah, that's what I'm really thinking to do with these jeans. Just get rid of them all, because they don't really fit like I need them to. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna finish organizing this closet, and then after I do that, I'm gonna show you guys some things that I hauled yesterday when I went out. And y'all, by the way, today is Sunday, February 7th, because tomorrow is Monday, it's the 8th. Yes, so today is February 7th, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish organizing my closet. I do have some stuff right there on the floor that's actually clean. I need to hang it up. I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you guys what I hauled on yesterday. Hey y'all, so I'm actually in the beauty room chilling. I need to fix my nails, so I have everything laid out so I can do my nails. I'm having a glass of Riesling, and it's so delicious. So y'all, I want to show y'all some things that I just picked up from Walmart and from Rose. So y'all, was it yesterday or day before? It was yesterday, actually. Saturday, I got up and I went to Walmart, and the Walmart that I go to, there's actually a Rose's like right beside, not right beside it, but very, very close to it. So I was like, let me stop in Rose's and see what they have. And y'all, I'm so glad I did, because I found some cute stuff. So first, I'm going to show y'all what I got from Walmart, okay? So I actually went into Walmart to make groceries, and then I found myself just looking at some other stuff. So y'all, the first thing that I got are these mules, and they are so cute, y'all. Look at these, y'all. Oh my gosh, like I cannot wait to wear these this spring and summer. They are gorgeous. They're like a woven type of material, if you guys can see. I love the pointed toe, and they are by Time and True, and I have them in a size 10. They are gorgeous. They fit like a dream, and y'all know that mules are everything. Like, they are so gorgeous. I can just see myself slipping these on to run errands. I can wear them to work because they're nice and flat. I do a lot of walking at work, and these are just beautiful, y'all. So I'm gonna come up close so y'all can see them. And I did get a 10 wide. But look at these shoes. Oh, gorgeous. And here's how they look from the side. Y'all, imagine a nice fedora hat with these. Like a really nice straw hat will look so nice with these. So gorgeous, y'all. So there goes the tag, y'all. I paid $14.97 for these shoes. So then next, y'all, I picked up a bunch of accessories, and I love to wear like bracelets and necklaces, my little dainty stud earrings. Like, I'm just so into that right now. And Walmart is a great place to pick up like costume jewelry. They have like the most prettiest jewelry ever. So I'm going to show y'all what I got. So first, I picked up two cuff bracelets, and here's what the cuff bracelets look like. Absolutely gorgeous. So I got gold and silver. Really, really pretty. Look at that, y'all. $4.88, y'all, for these gorgeous bracelets. And y'all, I'm really trying to get like really cute dainty accessories for the spring and summer to wear with my little dresses, my shorts. Like, y'all, your girl is ready, okay? And here are the earrings that I picked up. Look at these ones, y'all. They are so freaking cute. I told y'all, like, I'm really into like studs and little dainty earrings like this. And these were $2.88. And which you can't beat that with a stick. Like, look how pretty they are. And I just took the plastic wrapping off so you guys can really see what they look like. They are so freaking cute. So from Rose's, I did pick up some panties, okay, for my ladies. So y'all, as you can see, they have really, really cute panties. Really, really cute. Look at this. Super cute. And then y'all, I picked up these really cute shirts. Oh my God, these shirts are so freaking cute. I was so excited to find these shirts. They're gonna be so nice for the spring, like with some jeans, some high-waisted jeans, or capris. I could do what else can I do with these, like a bodycon skirt, like whatever, y'all. But anyway, here's what the first blouse looked like. And as you can see, it's like this really beautiful salmon color. It's absolutely pretty, y'all. It has like that square neck, and here's what the sleeve looked like. And it has a little slouch at the sleeve. Just really, really cute, y'all. I love the peplum style at the bottom. And y'all, this top, so the original price was $9.99. and it was on clearance for $7. Let me show y'all. Can y'all see that? $7. But y'all, when I got to the register and she rung it up, y'all, it rung up for $3. I was so happy. So I picked up this really cute top for $3, and it looks so good on. Like, once I finish showing y'all the stuff, I'll try these tops on for y'all so y'all can see what they look like. But they look so good on. And then I also found this one in this really beautiful green. What is this, like a army green, I guess? Yeah, like an army green. And it's really, really cute. It's made just like the pink one. And this one was for $5. This one was actually $2. $9.99 to $7 to $5, but this one rung up for $2. So I got 2 tops for $5. Really, really cute. I picked up these really cute flats, and OMG, they are just so cute. And then they have this piece that goes around your ankle, and then just like sort of sit on your leg, if you will. Like, let me bring them closer so you guys can see. And so here's how they're made, y'all. Really, really simple. All right, and this piece just fits over your ankle. Really, really cute, y'all. But the price, do y'all see that? $3. So yeah, y'all, I was really ecstatic about these shoes. And the regular price was only $7.99, so that's not bad at all either. So really cute, really cute, really cute shoes. I love them.